Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for Boone County in north central Illinois, Winnebago County in north central Illinois, until 8 a.m. At 3:57 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing torrential rainfall moving into the warned area. An automated weather station in McConnell recorded 1.27 inches of rain in just 15 minutes between 3:29 a.m. and 3:44 a.m. These thunderstorms will produce rainfall rates in the warned area between 2 to 4 inches in just an hour. Localized rainfall amounts of 3 to locally over 5 inches are possible in the warned area by 7 a.m. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: rapid onset flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Rockford, Belvedere, Loves Park, Macasney Park, Roscoe, South Beloit, Brockton, Poplar Grove, Rockford Airport, Candlewick Lake, Cherry Valley, Winnebago, Davis Junction, Pecatonica, Lake Somerset, Durand, Capron, Timberlane, New Milford and Garden Prairie. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.